We just got our hands on a certified pre-owned 2024 Chevy Silverado 1500 Trail Boss. This one has the diesel engine, so compared to our normal V8s, it's extremely good in towing. And you'll save a lot of fuel choosing a diesel if you're towing or hauling. It's an LT Trail Boss, so it already comes with the 2-inch factory lift, dual exhaust, rear view camera, nice all-terrain tires, has steps, box cover, rear sliding window. It's a crew cab with leather. Upgraded Bose sound system, power leather seating, sunroof, heated seats, heated steering wheel, remote start, Google built in. This one only has 87,000 kilometers on it. It's good to go down here at Great North GM. My name is Kylie. Let's go for a test drive.